Hello guys, just came back outside to show you the moving in of the wood boxes and moving out of the wood boxes. I'm walking down from the house because I put the camera, like I said in the last video, if I put these in the right order, so I put the camera in the house so the battery wouldn't freeze out on me. I think that's what's happening. It's about, I don't know how long it is, an hour later maybe. Just too much to video, but there's a lot going on. I went back and started this thing and let it warm up. I'll see how much later it is, because the last movie was, I think it was 125. The tractor didn't want to start. I had to jump start it. So it's only about a half hour, a little over a half hour, 40 minutes later. The boiler is up to temperature. The stack temperature's down because the boiler is not on the run spot right now. This is what we're getting out of here. This wood box out of here. I'll move my tools that I use for working in the boiler. I guess you can't see them. I got a shovel for shoveling out ashes, that kind of stuff. I'm gonna put you on a tripod, jump in this thing, get this box, put you on a tripod, jump in the Bobcat, pick up this box and pick you guys up, and we're gonna go down and just put that box anywhere. Oh, you know, this is in the sun. You probably might not be able to see it. When I set this, I found my tripod. Oh, I didn't bring the stupid little stand up. There's a little adapter that goes on there. This isn't gonna sit without the adapter. Maybe it will. Well, crapola. I can't see what's in the camera. So you guys are just bouncing, so the wind's gonna throw you around a little bit. But that's the way it is. It's cold out here, but I can't put my mittens on and work the camera. So we're gonna load this up and grab the camera. I hope you can hear me because of the wind. So we're gonna go down, just dump this off, come up and put you right back here and show you putting one back in. It takes a lot longer to put one in than it does to take it out. But I'll show you another reason that I don't care for these wood boxes quite as big. Right now, I can see through there and kind of see where I'm going. I'm a bad driver to begin with. Now I gotta get in here. This is what if you've never been on a Bobcat, this is what you're kind of getting into. You stand up on them, then you go in backwards. But another problem I got is it takes two hands to run one. This one here, this lever here makes it come up. Oh, first you got to turn them on. You got one light, then you turn them on, tell everything's okay. Then this one here is going to bring it up. This one here is going to make it go. So here we go, guys. I'm just going to dump this down there any place. Now I just shifted into high speed. This is high speed, but you can kind of see where you're going here, which isn't too bad. Man, it's chilly on the hands. When I got the camera, it was 24 degrees and about 12-mile-an-hour winds. So I don't know what the wind chill factor is, other than just cold. But see, this isn't too bad. Now I'm just gonna leave this box here for now. I gotta switch hands, let it down. Now I gotta switch hands again. So this might be kind of tricky getting this thing out of here. Now I gotta go into slow speed. See, it's got a little fast thing up here. Now I gotta go to slow, get rid of my turtle, get the rabbit, or get rid of my rabbit, get my turtle back. Now, see what you're looking at down there? I'm switching back and forth. Still looks a little high. I'm hoping it's not frozen to the ground. I still got to come up a little bit and down a little bit. I don't want to go all the way in because it's only got, yeah, it's frozen down. It's coming up. Whoa! It didn't like that. Now I can come in and get a good bite on it. I have to go back down. There we go. Now you can't see where you're going. You can see there. Oh, I'm all right. But even, believe it or not, going through those trees that we just came down through is difficult. This one here is not quite as wide as the last one. But this is why I run into everything. This is what your view is. Terrible. I'm trying to look out the side. I know I can go over there and run my edge along the woods. But believe it or not, going through there, it's more difficult than it looks. But up here, I got a low spot. You'll feel it go down. And I'm just kind of putting along because I'm trying to hold the camera and do everything at once. Now I'm about ready to hit that low spot. You'll feel this thing go down. You might not be able, maybe if I relate it out there, if you'll go down. Woo. Now I'm all right. This rack here is probably, I don't know, it's probably only about a 7.5 rack. I don't think it's an 8. It might be. Nah, no way it's an 8. This one might fit in between those spots. Woo, my hands are cold. It's just kind of here's where I'm shooting through at. See how you really don't have much. I know I got a tree there. You just slow down and I'm still on slow speed. I'm always on slow speed now. This is your view. This is why I kind of like the other racks just a little bit better. There's the tripod I'm gonna put you on. I want to put my mittens on. I guess we'll, let's see, I'm going to let this down so I can get out. Hopefully the wood didn't fall out of there. I've had that happen. Pull up this gate, get out of here. I'm going to put my mittens on, guys. My hands are like ice cubes. I got to put you on this rocky thing over here. Didn't think to bring that thing. There's a part that screws on the bottom of these cameras that holds them on the tripod. But I think you'll be able to see. I can't see a thing in there. I think you'll be able to catch most of it there. All right, putting my mittens on. close. I got to move it back a little bit. I wasn't sure about that. This one here fits in there though. Just a little bit too close. I'll show you what the problem was. Gotta take my mitten off again. And then we're gonna wrap this one up. What are we up to here time-wise? Oh, 13, that's not hateful. You figure I can do that a lot faster when I'm using two hands and not playing camera. This one here fit in here. This was just another design. These designs were made so the wood could push against this, but wouldn't bow these out because they're against the 4x4s there. And it was a good design. It's also made so you can stack them on top of each other. But they're just a little bit too big. I like those racks better. I was getting a little bit too close to my utensils here because I was all the way up to this rod here, which I like to keep my shovel there. My broom I clean up. This is another picaroon that I made out of something I got on eBay. I'll pull wood around a little bit with it. And then this tool here is what gets my ashes out. So, and this gets me within one step of the boiler. Boom, boom. You can't really see that. One step of the boiler. So I'm gonna go in and put this camera on the charger, battery on charger, because I don't know how long it's going to take me to get that log out. We're sitting at 180, 246. She's not calling for heat, and now it's 120. So I've been out here for, you can't see that, 120. So if I open that up now, it might flash out at me. So I don't want to open it now, because that wood, I'm gonna have to get this plastic out of here too. Anyhow, we're going to call it a wrap on. That's bringing a load of wood up to the boiler. Like I said, I'm going to charge the battery, get the things on there. I had to jump start the tractor to get it running. So the tractor's been back there running for I don't know how long, warming up. I had to jump start that. And I guess that's about it. We're going to go get that log out. That's going to be on tomorrow's video. So I'm going to take this up and put it on charge. Then I'm going to go back and get the tractor and get ready to get the part for the tripod, and we're going to haul that out of here. I wish I could get a camera person, but there's no way in the world the camera lady's going to come out in this kind of cold. She doesn't come out. It's hard to get her out of the house when it's this cold. The house is 76 inside, by the way. So anyhow, that's what the next video is. We're going to drag that thing out of here. Well, it ain't going to be hell. It's too cold for that. And I don't think it's going to be high water. So, whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, that's it for this video. Do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to you on getting that movie out, hopefully on what I've changed my ways on YouTube a little bit, the way I view videos. And I think it's a good thing. I really do. And we'll discuss it on that after I get that out of there. So over and out for now. We'll see you later. Hit the like, subscribe, send it to a friend, send it to an enemy. Just send it to somebody. Over and out. Thanks for being here.